Are you training hard but not getting stronger? You show up, put in the effort, but your pull-ups, dips, or even push-ups just aren't improving. It's frustrating, right? But here's the thing, it's not just about how hard you work. It's about how you train. You might be unknowingly making mistakes that silently kill your progress. The worst part? Most people don't even realize it. In this video, I'll break down 6 critical training mistakes that are holding you back. Fix these, and you'll unlock more strength, master advanced skills, and see real progress in every workout. Some of these mistakes are obvious, while others are things you'd never suspect, but they're the reason you're stuck. And here's the best part, the last mistake is the most dangerous of them all. It's what ruins progress more than anything else. Fixing this one thing could completely transform the way your body responds to training. So stick around till the end, your future gains depend on it. Mistake number 1. Skipping a proper warm-up. Let's be real, most people skip warm-ups. They walk into the gym, do a few arm circles, maybe jog in place for 30 seconds, and then jump straight into heavy sets. Big mistake. Your body is like a high-performance engine. If you don't prime it properly, you're not operating at full capacity. A good warm-up activates your muscles, improves coordination, and prepares your nervous system for intense movement. Think about it like this. Would you ever sprint right after waking up? No. Your legs feel stiff, your balance is off, and your power output is weak. The same thing happens when you start training cold. How to fix it? Take 5 to 10 minutes to properly warm up. Start with mobility drills to loosen up your joints. Do activation exercises to fire up key muscles. Use light movement, like jump rope, to increase blood flow. By doing this, you'll feel stronger from your very first set. Mistake number 2. Chasing reps instead of perfect form. More reps equals more gains? Nope. That's a myth. Many people think high reps equal progress, so they start rushing through exercises just to hit a number. But strength isn't built through sloppy reps. Ever seen someone doing half-representative pull-ups? Or bouncing through push-ups? They think they're getting stronger, but in reality, they're building bad habits. And once those habits set in, they're hard to fix. Here's the truth. Quality beats quantity. If your form is breaking down, you're not making progress, you're reinforcing weakness. How to fix it? Slow down your reps to use full range of motion on every exercise. Control the negative phase, lowering part of the movement, instead of chasing numbers. Chase perfect execution. This shift in mindset will skyrocket your strength and unlock harder moves like muscle-ups and one-arm push-ups. Mistake number 3. Training to failure every set. Do you train until you're completely destroyed after every session? A lot of people believe that pushing to failure on every set equals hard work. But here's the shocking truth. It's actually making you weaker. Why? Because when you push every set to failure, you drain your energy too fast, reduce your total training volume, take longer to recover, which slows down progress. Think about elite athletes. Gymnasts, calisthenics pros, boxers. They don't destroy themselves in every workout. Instead, they train smart. How to fix it? Leave 1 to 2 reps in the tank on most sets. Use failure strategically. Not every set. Focus on quality reps over just exhausting yourself. By doing this, you'll recover faster and see steady progress instead of constantly burning out. Mistake number 4. Ignoring mobility and joint health. Do your wrists, elbows, or shoulders always feel stiff or painful? That's not normal. It's your body screaming for help. Most people ignore joint health until they get injured. And by then, it's already too late. Calisthenics and bodyweight training put a huge demand on your joints. Every push-up, pull-up, and dip stresses your wrists, shoulders, and elbows in ways weightlifting doesn't. If your joints aren't prepared, they'll give out before your muscles do. This is why many people plateau, not because they lack strength, but because their mobility is limiting them. How to fix it? Spend 5 to 10 minutes daily on mobility work. Do shoulder rotations, deep squat holds, and wrist stretches. Strengthen the connective tissues around your joints. When your joints are mobile and healthy, your progress will accelerate. Mistake number 5. Not tracking your progress. If you don't track your progress, how do you even know if you're improving? Most people train blindly. They repeat the same workouts week after week, guessing if they're getting stronger. But strength gains happen gradually, and without data, it's hard to see real improvements. Here's a shocking truth. You might think you're making progress, but in reality, you could be getting weaker, without even realizing it. Example. Let's say last month, you were doing 50 push-ups per session. Now, you're only hitting 40. But because you're not tracking, you feel like you're making progress, even though you're actually declining. How to fix it? Use a training log, app, notebook, or phone notes. Track sets, reps, and how you felt after each workout. Measure strength, endurance, and flexibility over time. The more data you have, the smarter your training will be. Mistake number 6. Inconsistent training, the silent progress killer. This is the biggest mistake that destroys progress more than anything else. People go all in for a few weeks, then disappear when life gets busy. They rely on motivation instead of building a habit. Here's the problem. Motivation isn't reliable. If you only train when you feel like it, you'll always be stuck in a cycle of progress, right pointing arrow, setbacks, right pointing arrow, progress, right pointing arrow, setbacks. Every time you skip training, your body loses strength, endurance, and coordination. It's like rolling a boulder uphill. Each break means starting over. How to fix it? Set a non-negotiable training schedule. Train even when you don't feel like make working out a routine, not a choice. Consistency beats intensity, every time. The bottom line, fix these, get stronger. If you're feeling stuck in your workouts, it's not because you're not working hard enough, it's because of these mistakes. Warm up properly to hit peak strength from the first set. Prioritize perfect form over just chasing reps. Stop training to failure every set. Train smarter, not harder. Take care of your joints before they break down. Track your progress so you know exactly what's working. Stay consistent. Progress comes from repeated effort, not random bursts of motivation. Fix these one by one, and you'll see huge improvements in your strength, endurance, and skills. Your body is capable of more than you think. Train smart, stay consistent, and you'll unlock your full potential.